message as unread on Facebook Messenger. If any day any of you are the Facebook Messenger user and you would like to mark the Facebook Messenger message unread on the very Facebook Messenger, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Messenger application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device or directly find the Messenger application on your mobile device. After you find the very Messenger application, you have to tap on the Messenger. Now, after you tap on the very Messenger, there you can see that Messenger will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, any day, if you would like to just unread the message, what you have to do is you have to tap on the very person like this. Now, what you can do is you can see the first very message here, but if you would like to just unread it, you have to go back and go to the option by just tapping on that. And here you can just tap on the option of mark as unread. And after you tap on mark as unread, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.